Hi you guys, I'm here with Lucy. I got a notice in my email of a new box provided by the Dog Bakery. This is the Mother's Day box. So I purchased that for Lucy as something nice for her because she loves getting Happy Mail and I always like getting things myself. So let's see what we got here. Here's the basket right here. What is it, Lucy? What is it? Is it something for you? She's very excited. Let's see. Pull it out of here and see what you get. See what kind of goodies Chihuahua got. She's very excited. Oh my goodness, my battery's getting low. I gotta hurry. I know, Lucy. I'm being slow. She's just like, she can't wait. She can't wait. Well, they definitely sealed it pretty well. There we go. I think the paper seemed a little bit stubborn. Alrighty. Mercy. This has been quite the task. Oh, look at Lucy. Look at all the goodies. Show you guys what the box looks like. And then in it, there is a I Heart Mom cookie. Very cute. Look at that. This is a cookie, Wawa. It's a cookie. Another cookie that says I Heart Mom. You want a little bit of the cookie? Yeah, you don't want to have to wait, huh? I understand. Fresh baked cookies. Huh? Oh. Here, let me break you off a little bit. She's like, yummy! And then also some of their beef jerky treats, which she was really loving these last time. And then for me, I got a cute little coin purse with a little doggy face and a leash holder, which I can attach a photo in. So yay, this was a great little box. I'm gonna put a link below to their website. This is a product that I purchased myself. This is not sponsored or anything. Lucy needs this cookie, have broken up a little bit more in case it's big. It's a big cookie. You gotta use the side teeth to get that. I know there's lots of frosting. Here, get some of the frosting. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a link below. Let me know if your pet does anything for you on Mother's Day or Father's Day. In the comment section below if they've ever got you something or anything like that. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.